Hi, my name is Elizabeth Walsh, and the culture I chose to talk about are the Aztecs. They were a group of Native Americans from between around 1430 to 1521. In 1521, the Spanish conquistadors ended up actually causing war, and they used disease, combat, and physiological warfare to actually conquer the Native Americans. But while the Native Americans were around, they were a very advanced culture. For example, one fact that I found about them was that they created like an advanced calendar. They had a capital city called Tenochtitlan, and I am so sorry if I mispronounced that. And it's in the same place as present-day Mexico City. They were the first people to celebrate Day of the Dead, and they invented chocolate, but it was super bitter. It wasn't the chocolate that we have now, but they were credited with making the first chocolate. I thought the Aztecs were very interesting. Something I learned was that the Aztecs spoke Nahuatl, and I'm so sorry if I pronounced that wrong too. That is still a language that's around that some people do speak in Mexico. Another big part of Aztec culture is their art. They were a religion where they believed in many different gods. So a lot of their art was dedicated to their gods. And in their art, they used a lot of animals, which they represented different things. So like, for example, eagles were warriors and hummingbirds were dedicated to the sun god. They created other things such as their types of dance and their types of songs that were in their culture, which is very interesting. And I thought the Aztecs were very interesting because as I was reading, I learned that their religion used human sacrifice, which I did not know. One other thing that the Aztec culture is accredited with is their floating gardens. They were very advanced for making these, especially with how little technology they had, with how early they were. So it's very interesting to see how they were able to do some of these things.